Hi, I'm Patricia, and this is Eli.
And this is Tiger. Right? Wait.
Oh, hi, this is Tiger. Hi, Tiger.
Tiger, why are you in this video? Why are you in this video?
So the point of this video is to help.
And then he put his tongue on my mouth.
Yeah.
In my mouth.
So the point of this video is to
help
help everyone clear or clean their bathtub or shower drain. So my issue right now is
all black,
that
the balls.
it stinks. It smells like sewage, and I'm poor and I can't afford to get a plumber out here. So
we can't even fix it.
So I have
we bought some things.
So we bought some things, and we're gonna fix it ourselves.
Look, guys.
Okay, we're gonna do. How do we switch it? So.
Guys, look. That's the things we need.
So these are the things we need. We need baking soda,
and
vinegar, a brush, and water, and a cup so we can measure.
And a cup to measure.
So these are all the things that we need. I found all these things at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, the dollar store.
So you can do this yourself.
Yeah.
You can do this yourself for $3. The vinegar, the baking soda, and the brush. So the type of brush I need is a drain brush, but I couldn't find one, so I'm using a toilet brush. It looks very similar, I think.
It's funny that it's a toilet brush, guys.
So that's what we're gonna use. The first thing we're gonna have to do is boil some water. We need about 1.5 gallons of boiling water. So we're gonna work on that, and then we'll meet you upstairs.
So sticky, right? It's so long, like if you clean a tub.
My helper is so cute. My helper is so cute.
She's like RKO.
He's very into wrestling.
Yeah.
We'll see you upstairs. Okay, so we are upstairs now.
Yeah, we're upstairs.
And
we just got finished with the video, but we're gonna start having fun and get messy. Yeah.
You're gonna get messy.
We're gonna get really messy.
So we are in the bathroom.
Yeah, we're in the bathroom.
We have some of the things that we need here. I just wanted to show you guys.
And this is not the one that we need.
But we're gonna use it anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just want to show you guys how the drain looks right now, because it's really stinky, and you can actually see how dirty it is in there, like all the black.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm getting a clear shot of it.
Good. Let me see. I can't see.
I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty black in there. It's kind of gross. So that's what we're working with. It stinks when the shower water comes down and hits the drain. So that's what we're working on. Right now the water is boiling, so I have to go grab it, and we're gonna just pour that in there. Okay, I'm back. So I boiled some water. I put it in a little trash can so I can fill it up. It's about it should be one. Eli's not here. It says that I should be using 1.25 gallons of water. Mine is probably a little bit more than that. And then it says that
Eli's at his dad's house.
Eli's at his dad's house. He's not here, okay? So I have a thermometer because it says that I should be at 150 degrees. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. It's right now at like 188. So it has to be a little bit less than that, so I'm gonna wait for it to cool. And then I'm just gonna pour it down the drain. So we're gonna wait a few seconds.
Hi kids, I just came back.
Side note, yes, Eli has returned.
I just came back.
So just as a side note, I don't know what I'm doing. I Googled and found some answers, so that's what I'm trying. If you're poor like me, try this out.
I just fell, okay, kid?
But don't blame me if you mess up. Be very careful with the hot water.
It's so hot. It's like 90 degrees out in the water. Like it's like 90 degrees or something. Or really, not like 90 degrees, but is like on the video. That's what I said. like all of it now.
The water's really hot. Okay, so actually while we're
We're gonna put
doing
the
this.
thermometer in there.
Let's see what it's reading at right now. Catch me just pouring the water down. Yes, I am wearing socks with my flip-flops.
Yeah, that's funny, kids.
So I'm just gonna pour this down the drain. It says to do it slowly. The internet says to do it slowly. So I'm doing it slowly.
Oh, that's cool.
It stinks. I can smell.
That's cool, kids. Like, so cool, kids. Like,
It smells really bad.
yeah,
This
badly.
is the whole reason why I needed to do this, because it smells like poop.
Ew. That's nasty. It smells like dog poop or normal poop.
Normal poop. But
It smells like my poop.
so whenever I was taking a shower and the water is going down, it always smelled really bad. So that's not good.
So my mom brings that to drain in there, and look, the things are there. The things are there, kids, and the things are there. So I'm washing everyone and doing this to the drain.
So we're almost done here. Okay.
Washing.
So I accidentally did 1 cup of baking soda, but it's supposed to be half. So I try to empty some of it out, and Eli's gonna try to pour it in. Come on, hurry up. We gotta hurry.
Everywhere in it?
No. Just the way you did the first one.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's pour as much as we can in here. Okay. All right, let me finish it. Let me finish it up, Eli.
Okay.
Okay, can you let go? I think that is good.
Kids, we need a brush now.
No, the brush is later. So the whole deal with the brush, we have to wait about 2 hours for this
We have to do that now.
to happen. And then after we wait the 2 hours, so this cup is pretty empty now. It's just the baking soda is sticking to the cup because of the vinegar that was in it. So now we are basically letting this sit in there for 2 hours.
You know, let's see, kids.
So you see all the white residue in the drain? That's from the baking soda.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna get my shoot cake.
Basically, that whole thing was like
Can
black,
I get my
like right there where
flip-flop to
you
go
see,
in there?
like right there where you see all the black. The whole thing here was black, disgusting.
The whole thing.
I don't smell the smell anymore, but that's because I'm not pouring any water down there. So we are going to wait. We're gonna wait.
I see you.
2 hours now. So
I can see you.
once we get back, then we'll finish up the video.
Yeah,
Thanks
and
for watching.
I'm holding the bone right now.
Okay, so we'll be back in 2 hours.
Yeah.
I am back after the 2 hours with my hot water and my toilet brush, which I'm using instead of a drain brush. So now I'm just pouring the hot water in. Pour a gallon of hot water in. Trying to get a good view because my helper is now outside playing with the neighbors. So the first time I poured water before the cleaning, I could still smell the nasty smell, but I no longer smell it, so that's great. Okay, so we're done with that, and now it says, hopefully this fits in here. I'm supposed to just clean the drain. Oh wow, look how clean that is now. That's as far as it goes in. Now that whole area that used to be dirty is now clean for the most part. Oh gosh, that's disgusting. Looks clean for the most part. I'm gonna pour a little bit more water in here so I can get all this out. So, I just grabbed some more water. That drain looks pretty clean now. Sorry. So now I'm just gonna run the shower and hope all that works. As you can see, everything's pretty dirty in here, but I'm trying to get that clean. So, just rinsed it out a little bit afterwards, and now that looks clean. Looks like there's still a bunch of dirt down there, but this part looks clean from what I was able to get, so I just ran the water and I don't smell that nasty smell anymore. So, we did a good job. We're happy. See you next time.